Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching.
So you see, yet your memo and perceive a kind of criteria. Mira home ne papa. I didn't see about say, O man penny Mahama will buy your military generals, 2 stars, 3 stars, or more human chair, or more experience. Oh, you army them. What for points why retire or moving by force? You've retired all our experienced generals just because so person appointed to boy. Or ye general or ye just 1 star was the same. E mani be CDS intino. Omo nyina ya retire omo amoma kotene fie. Until omo in charge see ano. Omo ni class like they don't have that experience. And to expect say they be busy. Enipa mako over 21,000. Oh, and a party for no so. If you know me, said a bread, your mamma or your magic be. If you might drink Rufosica, Monco, your befamo, Monco, your befamo, and depend what you see come. I would show you mono. What do you need bread and never copy you mano? And to bend looking go to will be soon cono. Huh? See if any agent. Your man is soon no cracker and no cray sugar. You see, you have to say what I am. Hello, one penny, what I am. What I am. Need him say a restart. Say the reset, they send a refresh and asa. What be refresh on? What are you, papa?
Yeah, better PNDs and ya kum crofom a minimum papanum. Ya shia moja gu bebre. NDC a pen BNC a sebion prebiasa and kwasi asem we shia moja gu NC ye. Utie NDC a pencil. Every time NDC is in power, there must be mass death. And say moja bebre shia gu. Oko kan na tibon kosofo na wo mo de o mo dwen se obi ama no 200 cedis ne ye ono ne da achi ne nti no no ma ko show obi achi no I'm like they are trying to poo whatever you are saying. NDC a demonic party. A party ye sufre moja. Ghana women just are pretending now ye nim all of a sudden ye person ye wash and this said just say a ya software party omo ya benfo wo mu pemoja enunti ye mfa ho de aye se moja begu amojangu. One of the saddest things we saw was under a Yisebi time wana ET Mensa a sports minister Kotokone has to kobo bo keke. Kotokone has to kobo bo keke. Enipa 129. Ewuye. Echiegukwa. Okay, kanyama webo minana woka. No baifuo bia wojina ho pemo moja. No wojina ho kan kwase asem de kire wo. Na o kan kwase asem de kire wo. Anytime. Minua, twade obi abetron kwase asem mi wa ha. Na meboa ne pa. Me pacho apiate e eja to ho anda yen ye time no me pacho edipa hin na ewu ye apiate jana to ho no edipa hin na ewu ye obi betumi ama me number no. Yes obi any ho a whole community see you edipa hin na free mu no mo ya he. What I'm trying to say is say ewo yade a enye ye nina ye agree. But when you see a pattern happening over and over, you don't sit there and try to defend the stupidity, especially when the death is as a result of somebody not doing their work. Last week, Utie, me betena page so. Ena me kachire mo say, sa entrona NDC fo di ye de beje abatoɔ no. Wamu be kwe sa on be kwe sa to yenchen beto omo sa. And it is because say womo party ni pemoja. Ko kan obi say men fa nya politics. For unkras the same free was a politics na me kan wa ha. For we Jimmy a free page no so. Say the ame ya ne politics ya. Coronavirus ya enye ne de ba ye o man bi anya bi mugina coronavirus enya ban problem e de ye campaign say sebio nkrofo owu kwabena minta kan do aye na nim sa homagibin na wo kan kwase asem abet na asem en fan your politics. Take your stupidity and your crazy self from my page. Mekana last week. Now show me. You people heard me. In this week. Now me catch them so one more be kweyesa because nyame yensi na twetwe do mama. Mu wi ni wi ye na me be gina na me won name say. Yamma mpa yama John Mahama. Na party ne de wo mu ho akwachi se ba bia akoye niame bia. Say Ghana konya no ejimoja because of the esase me kan wa ha ebi be gina ho di matter because mu ni vision, mu ni insight, mu man nyame. Ni ye yi bibi kura de akere mo. When Rebecca Trump, I didn't say this on this page. Me catch them say kwanya nkrofo we fa so the winning aba wrong. And that omen is going to follow them. Now they are naka say lie akopem say o ma me be wu. And I wouldn't be wu. And I'll be who dear tear. It's quite sad we have a country like this. Polarized, very, very polarized. Ordinance said baby ma ebu ni nsem nanso me party nti adi me ye party to me yikom me just me yikom no could defend what Jimmy and your politics what Jimmy cause o ma me nka ho o sister nka ho wo nua bi nka ho nti kwasea wo be defend wo tantan say cause NDC afam de ye de bibia ya politics and for bibia anya politics nobody gives a hoot. If it Rollins time and Crawford, Jagu, Ubejina Hoka, Nagana and Penifue, ye say, ye Nimus and Crawford, where you come on it, Chimoja. God is the number one politician in the whole world, unless you don't understand what politics is. And politics is not that stupid thing you people are doing in Ghana, NDC, MPP. That is not politics. God is the number one politician. Because he instituted class. He instituted levels. He instituted all those things. And he actually says it in the Bible, if you're a Christian, say, obey to authorities. The same Bible says, say, I'm fan free or sorrow mawa. Was he a hinian in every radio? Nay, I'm fan free or sorrow mawa. This a walk was Siana, but now catch them and say, said God is not for politics. I know where Jimmy. Now, Mubako so ye Jimmy for a copy, say, Mube woo sa, me come it. The aya me ya ne say enko ya no na akofro obi orenfo baby otini baby adwuma keke no pe ye de o moja pe na akofra won na we nyansa ne bisa ho sade na John Mahama nkwa de oba moja ehwiegu no ehwiegu ba ko ehwiegu mi ni ye bisa ho mama ya ma ye ho kwan. I'm a politician, and say, even when the politician has made a stupid mistake and you have died, your families have died, your sisters have died, because of MPP, NDC, you go and defend the politician. You are a fool. You are not doing politics. That is absolute stupidity. After all, what is 200 cedis, Minia? What is 20,000 Ghana cedis? What is that? 200 million. And this the fact be sa emoja yesi wo mo famra ne nkakrakra nkakrakra asofo akwasiampafo akondo ayisabe akwadontofo a eben John Mahama entumi nkase there is doom, we call the heavens to speak. And na sofo malu pala mula ontumi mompaye emenyame yiniama nkyere no nanso abro about John Mahama second coming. Onyame diifo papa bi enyame yi kire wo say John Mahama again is not good. Na udi nyankopon enne to nchen na modane mo ho anyame e pronounce nkrofo blessed people no atoye nchem ya to Ghana ensisi mu fie mako starting from this month. Kamu kuta mula mulu osofo bia wokodi John Mahama chi wonim no kura no okodada na sori ma se woto abama kremoni aga na beye kremo ne wo mudi so koto abedi ti NPP no ewuo no start wo bufie sa asofo no mo man starting wuwu. Yes, they say sa na ye beko no uti eri ameka no osofo biara any man of God who genuinely knew the truth said bringing back a spoiled milk wasn't going to help Ghana. Nenso kakra obenya die ni di obedie nti wode ne nsako gu John Mahama so say we ne nyame ahira no no owuo na Ghana efesi no di omane bo amabusua famu di amuntala busua famu no ensisi mu fie mu sa asofo no ensisi mu fie starting this month. Fidi agro na hwe ana munyindi mfeni agro na monhwe meme nyo wusu bempa o na maka asem a enye nyame ne ka kire mi o and I mean asem a me need the real conviction for it na meka. That is why I speak boldly, because I know it will happen. Last week me ka kire mo say NDC for be kwa yi man ka njere mo me ka kire mo so omo be kwa yi no omo be kwa yi sa akopem se omo be yi sa ade na etare sa party ni so no baby a won de won hoko share ye de won sako hye ye e de Mahamedin call ye won mo a party mpanifo e de Mahamedin call ye say ye nya ne hyen na embra nkrofo adwunu mu se wo ye krogyen hyen ma sa enkom so na ebesisi so. Don't joke with me. Ebi amekasa asem we kire mo. Don't see Felix sitting here and think that Felix te hakwa. I don't. Me metna se kwa. Me nkasa kwa. Enfame nsem nni agro. Me Felix apia metie me ka asem a emfe nni agro. I'm not the regular maso camera mo mehweme type of person, Debbie. When I know nothing about a subject, I speak nothing about it. I let it go. And those I'm able and privileged to get revelations over, I share with you. And it happens. Until NDC comes clean. If today is the first day you are watching me, my name is Felix Apia. I'm telling you something, believe me. Until NDC changes their ways of destroying people, of hurting people, of harming people, their government will know no peace. Tragedy will befall them until the last day of 2028 when they are leaving power. Don't be a stupid party follower and listen to what I'm saying. Akoma isi ska on. Akoma jimensa no muska. Nti jimensa no be wiem amaba omia. We MPP ni we just argument we won fere. You are not ashamed as an MPP member. You nim say the nyansa we trimuno. Oh, can't say same way we are bonting. You are not shy. You are not afraid. Unfair, like there's no ferry or winning. And now election in just could you na eko general mark say yeah count 1 2 3 there be easy na be yeah just say ni na wi ni easy na be print bibia na easy na the officers are back no mama omo de omo be ka ye pooling agents ho no ma ye adwuma they are selected. Isn't that what it is? But obe ma ya ka to trimu say MPP ya kromfo na ye be yusuba omia e dey arege election. Na penning toto 50 something years tia yo wanim so man twam anim say ugidi onfere ugidi enamre mu aye we ugidi say internal election obi be rege chale ade nanim say muntume mu ne ama ntimu de be sheke shiri no. But this time here mama kwan Cynthia, I promise you people this time here mama kwan yo more last time no mo ye na mo si o na ye ni na ye wi aye be ka there be this time me kra de me san kabo mu kra na me tia na me bo fono me. And na we all need na is the service e bi no mutumi be gina sebi say we near e be here we and na we ye hio bia unya san kura politics na mo ye no MPP ni ye de ade akosa wani ye de ade awo wani we so be hio bia obe hia wan. Can you wake up someone who is pretending to sleep? Why are we not letting our reasoning work? Obia on you naturally nani nkum. But when we say oh be die in the kenti we pretend say wada obetumi anya ne say nipa no. Ni ewi aye ni na ebe kan bom, eni ewi aye ni na ebe kan bom. No one na ekọ kan bom. Udi wani tu sun kabom no omo tena afie wie ya, wo mu be use na against you. Na onya 41% nti mon sign no. Boy as a son na campaign mamo.
Play on the minds of young people. Okay, I said 2020, Kennedy Japan, echo contested by Omiano. Okay.
1 hour and troko. Me pacho 2020 Kennedy Japan oko contest election bi. Me bisamo. MPP for Mr. Kennedy Japan, ye papa, honorable. President ye Japan, oko contest CBB, 2024. Sorry, 2020 na. Me bisamo. But ya beka ha say na oko contest in the 2020. And Sikebi say but mo de muntie no mixing everything and still they believe him. Yanko
say man $800 million one. All because no say sa election na no mu kobu no na Kennedy trimu no na onim say ba omia be wini.
The spokesperson for Honorable Kennedy Japan, Kevin Ojimifo Taylor Bukum, said 2024 year to abano Kennedy for muntie munjai sa time hunu time na mo ya na beisem na mo ya no. Kevin Taylor said Kennedy Japan Oba be contest Dr. Bawumiano na onim so obe lusu enu ntina ye offer an 800 million na wanje no it doesn't